The Z125 is back. What's going on, everybody? We're back here. Gonna be doing a little bit of riding on the 125 today. I've missed this thing. It's been more than a few months now, and I really want to get back on it. I'll tell you all why I wasn't riding it for a while once we get on the bike. But right now, we have the stock exhaust. So let's go ahead and get that swapped out for the aftermarket exhaust. Get a little comparison, because why not? By the way, here's the old exhaust. I talked about it in some videos, but I don't know if I ever actually showed where it broke, but it broke right there, right at the flange where it bolts up. So a little bit weird, but honestly, I off-roaded it, I jumped it, I took it to the beach. It might have got a little rusty there, and I don't know, so whatever. We got a new exhaust here, and it looks like they discontinued that Ran Soto exhaust, but this looks to be the exact same exhaust, just made by iStunt. It's like the same exact design, just without that carbon look on it right there, but it's still got the removable baffle, and it looks exactly the same. So we're gonna try to throw it on. Hopefully the brackets line up. And after. All right, let's see if we still got the wheelies. Oh yeah, all day. I don't know, we'll see if I keep the baffle out of this thing. It's pretty loud without the baffle, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. Woo! I miss wheelies on this thing, holy shit. Uh-oh, gonna have to hit another one right here. Oh, that pipe's starting to like rainbow a little bit. That's pretty sick. Now it's got some heat through it. I was wondering what it would do since it was just all black. But back to why I haven't been riding this thing lately. So last time y'all saw this was probably like 4 to 5 months ago. I don't even know. I haven't even looked back to see when the last video is with this bike. But what happened with it was my wheel was bent. That's what happened. So how I figured that out, first, last time y'all saw this, I just had like a really bald tire on this thing. Tire was super bald, but no problems. But yeah, I finally get to putting that new tire on, and I can't get it beaded up right. I used like some Windex or whatever to spray around the rim to see where it was leaking out, and there was this one little spot on the rim where the tire wasn't beaded up correctly, and you could see the air coming out and it was leaking out. So I couldn't get it beaded up right. I was like, shit, well, this must be a defective tire. So I ordered another tire, try to mount it up, same thing. So after further inspection, I see that the rim is slightly bent. I can just barely see it with my eye. But I don't know how it got bent. I mean, I really don't. So that's where we're at. I got a whole new wheel. It came with a tire on it. We're good to go. Slapped it on. We're riding. I'm glad to have this thing back though. It's so fun, especially if you have a couple other people with these size bikes. So much fun. Let's hit some more wheelies. Woo! I can't ride my bike with no handlebars. gonna be holding on like that. You're gonna be falling back.
I don't know if you can do that. You need a longer ship.
Whoo!
Boot it up.
Uh-oh.
Would you hit the knock sensor?
Take it off for a second. Yeah, I just turned it off for 5 seconds. Let's see. Should be alright.
Damn. Your shit, look at your exhaust.
It's all rainbowy. Yeah, it looks kind of nice. This ain't gonna get like that probably, but maybe. Also, me and the boys been talking about doing a little road trip on the Z's. What we're thinking of is riding to the beach, which is gonna be about a 7-hour, give or take, round trip on the Z's if we avoid highways. So I don't know, I think it'd be pretty cool to do. Just waiting on a warm weekend now. So I don't know, this weekend's looking pretty warm. We'll see. That was ugly. But yeah, I'm pretty hyped for that. A little road trip on the Z's. That could be a good time. We'll see, we'll see. Wheelies across the dam. Nah, let's barrel down it, no sign. Woo! Whoa! Woo! Found a little trail on the Z, let's go. Where'd he go? Oh, here he is. Oh, this is kind of sick. I haven't been down here in a minute. Hill climb. Maybe doing shit like this is why my tire got messed up. I mean my wheel. Woo! Whoa, just scaling a big ass hill here.
So much further.
Oh yeah. I kind of want to hit this.
Oh, I'm about to.
There he goes. Bottomed out, suspension a bit.
Think you can make it?
Probably.
You gonna send it?
Yeah, fuck it. Oh yeah, we sent her. Let's see if he's gonna do it. Get on the hill, get a little good little clip. Woo-hoo-hoo! This really just turned into a Z125 trail ride. Oh, here we go, back on the, whoa, back on the street. Alright everybody, I think we're gonna head back for now. May do a little more riding in a little bit, but for now I'm gonna call it. I'll link that exhaust. So far so good. I may put the baffle back in, I'm not sure. Haven't decided yet, but I like it. I'm so happy to be back on the Z125 hitting some wheelies.
So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. I'll see y'all later.